Good morning. It is Wednesday, November 2nd, and I'm going to be doing 3 quick attempts here with FSD Beta 10.69.3 of my unprotected left turn onto St Anthony Pkwy. Traffic's pretty light in this area, so I'm more than likely going to come back this afternoon and test it when traffic's a bit busier. But let's give it a shot here and see how it does. So, interesting, we're kind of stuck in the middle now. So right off the bat, we've kind of made a mistake here. We're now blocking 2 lanes of traffic, so not a great start. I'm already going to consider this attempt a fail because we are in the middle of the road here. There's no traffic to our left or right in the road we're blocking, so I'm just going to let it sit here unless somebody comes. But I want to see if it's going to complete the turn. The car didn't go as far to the right this time to start this turn, which seems to be a little bit of an improvement. But again, let's do this. We're going to do this test 3 more times here, or 2 more times. So car's really getting aggressive here. And it's not confidence inspiring. You can see there, it kind of scared some folks, and this one too. So, not good. I probably let it go a little too much there. So it's definitely more aggressive in this build so far, from what I can tell. We're going to go back and try it 2 more times. But obviously, it kind of went wrong from the start. Our positioning was not great. It still seems like the latency is too high for it to react quick enough. There's with that intersection, you're going to only get a few second gap, so you got to make up your mind pretty quickly on when you're going to go. And inching forward with the wheels pointed at oncoming traffic probably isn't the best, thing you want to be doing when you're waiting to turn there. We definitely spooked that last driver a bit. I obviously was covering the brake, so in case anything happened there, I was going to take over. So pretty smooth there, but anyways, this is attempt number 2 here of the unprotected left turn onto St Anthony Pkwy. Looks like we don't have any traffic coming at us here, so this should hopefully be a pass. The car still wants to turn a little bit to the right before making the left turn, but it's definitely less aggressive as it used to be. Yeah, that was pretty bad there. So you can see there we were going right for the curb. I definitely was taking over there. So again, kind of frustrating because it did complete the turn better than it has, where it's not going as far to the right before it makes that a left turn. But as you can see there, it still made a bull rush there towards the curb. So we're definitely going to consider that attempt a fail as well. So we'll do it 1 more time, and then like I said, I'm going to come back this afternoon and we'll do this test again another 3 times with hopefully some more traffic, just to give you a good idea of where things are at with 10.69.3. Alright, this is attempt number 3, and again, it looks like we're clear. There's no oncoming traffic here, so this should complete it. We have a pedestrian about ready to cross here. Let's see how it handles that. Covering the brake here. The pedestrian looks like he's making a right turn, so I'm not really liking that dive towards the curb there at the very end. The car should just hold a consistent line. I know it's kind of a tight turn, but yeah, I mean, that time there was no oncoming traffic. There was really no pedestrians to worry about. The car was confident with that pedestrian. There was no jerkiness on the brake. So, for right off the bat, you can see some improvements with 69.3, but unfortunately, it looks like that intersection is still a challenge for it, for FSD Beta. So, again, we'll come back later this afternoon with some more traffic and see how it does. But that's going to be our first kind of example of, where things are at and with 69.3. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.